What's up, guys? How's it going? MikeTheTech here. Now, before we get started, if you're watching this video, chances are you're not subscribed, because 99% of you are not subscribed, and that's a pretty bad number. So if you like this one, be sure to click on that sub or thanks button below. Let's make sure I don't dox myself here. And we're going to see what we got in this one. Let's go ahead and open it up on the top here. All right, so I got it open, and I'm going to pull this out, and ooh, it is nice and heavy. It looks like this is a electric precision screwdriver set from KAIWEETS. This is the ES21 electric screwdriver set. Let's take a quick look here. Actually, let me open this up so we can see what's inside. It's a little shiny. So in the back here, it has a list of the types of screws it has, or heads I should say. It has 64 different screwdrivers included. The screwdriver itself, a magnetizer and demagnetizer, a metal spudger, tweezers, and a magnetic mat. So that's pretty cool. Let's go ahead and open this up and see what it looks like. Alright, so as soon as I open it up, there's some accessories here. We have a magnetizer and demagnetizer. That's nice that they included that. Then we're going to pull out the cable. This is a charging cable, USB-C. And we're going to take this paper out. And here it is. Looks like the device itself. Now we've got the user manual here. And we have a magnetic mat. So this is a phone repair station where we can put these screws and keep track of what we're working on. And it's magnetized so that you're not going to lose your screws or anything. That's actually really useful. I like that. Now, this is the device itself. It is in a plastic enclosure, and you can see on the back here, it is a 350 milliamp hour battery that's built into this. So if we look here, we have a charger, USB-C right there, and then if we press this, it pops out, and we can pull this out here. Very, very cool. So we can see here that there's just a ton of bits here, so lots of different lengths of bits as well as the shorter versions here. And if we turn this around, we have the security bits, and there is just a huge amount of security bits there as well. Let's go ahead and take the device itself out. We do have other accessories, like we have some long tweezers here, which can be useful if you're working with very small parts. You can go in without damaging anything and take that out. But let's pull out the screwdriver, and we can see here that we have the head itself where we can place our drill bits. So we can just go ahead and stick one right inside of there, and then to turn it on, we're going to hold this power button here, and you'll see that it is on and charged. So that's very nice. Then we can use the up and down arrow to actually start screwing or unscrewing. Now we do have a light here. A quick tap will turn that on or off. We can also hold the light button for 2 seconds to switch modes, and you can also switch through different gears as well. Very cool device. Thank you so much to KAIWEETS for sending this over. Always love getting tools like this, and then once you're done with it, you can simply snap it in and it charges on its own. Very, very cool. Nice way to keep everything together. And yeah. But yeah, that's it for this one. Thank you so much to all the sponsors, and thank you so much for watching. We'll have some more in-depth videos, unboxings on this channel, and reviews on the new Tech Savvy Reviews channel. So I'll see you there. Have a good one. Peace.